Look at the color, it's really pretty. I think this one is the sake one. What? Woohoo! This one is very strange. Hi, it's Stefania from Japan, and today's video is about KitKat. In case you didn't know, KitKat in Japan come in many flavors that you might not expect. And today I'm going to be trying 20 different flavors of KitKat while blindfolded and see if I can guess what they are. So, this is a box of 20 assorted KitKat flavors that I bought online from Nestle Japan for around 2,484 yen. I'm going to put on a blindfold, take one KitKat at a time from the box and see if I can guess what it is. Okay, let's get started. First KitKat. This one. Let's see what it is. If I can open it. This flavor is very... could be apple, maybe. Okay, my guess for this first KitKat is apple. Let's see if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Oh, okay, I was totally wrong. This is rum raisin. I thought it was apple, I was so sure. This is actually very good, the raisin one. Okay, let's try the second KitKat. This one. Let's see what it is. Okay, I'm 100% sure that this is matcha. I don't know what type of matcha, because in the box I know that there are like 20 different types of matcha. I'm sure this is matcha. Oh yeah, this is matcha! Yes, 1 point for me. In particular, this is like Uji matcha, so Japanese green tea from the city of Uji, which is a very famous city for matcha. Very good. This matcha KitKat is very good. Third KitKat here. Let's open this and let's see. It looks like matcha again. A slightly stronger matcha flavor maybe. I could be wrong though. This is another type of matcha probably. Let's see if I'm right. Oh yes, this is another matcha. And this time they call it Uji matcha again. So it's from Uji, high quality green tea here. And they call it Fukai matcha. So yes, this one is very good as well. Good job, KitKat. Good job, Nestle. Okay, let's try another one. Next KitKat. Let's see. This one is very sweet. What could it be? Maybe cheesecake? What? Another type of matcha. And this is another type of matcha. It's the normal matcha KitKat. The one from Uji again. Let's go on. I have to fight. I like matcha, so anything matcha. Next one. This. Now the only thing I can taste is matcha. I think this one is the sake one. I hope this one is the sake one. What? Oh, okay. It's sake, but specifically it's umeshu, which is like plum liquor, Japanese plum liquor. So I was half enough right, I guess. Give me half point for this. This is good actually. Even if you don't drink alcohol, this is good. This is a good souvenir. Ooh. Ha! This is strawberry. I'm sure this is strawberry. Let's see. Yes, this is strawberry. A specific type of strawberry because they call it amao. That's a very specific type of strawberry that we have here. I'm clueless. Is this matcha again? How many type of matcha do I have inside the box? Let's see. What do we have here? Oh! Okay, I thought it was matcha, but there's a reason. This is actually ujicha, which is a type of Japanese tea, and it's the one from Uji. As you can tell, Uji is famous for tea in general. A lot of these tea flavored KitKats, they have Uji tea inside. Actually, I have to say, I'm a bit scared. I know there's a wasabi one here in the box somewhere. I don't normally eat wasabi, so I don't know what my reaction is going to be. Okay, new KitKat here. Let's see. I think this is the cheesecake one. This time for real. It's really sweet, like very sweet. Let's see if I'm right. Oh no, this is not cheesecake. This is a traditional Japanese flavor, sweet potato. Look at the color, it's really pretty, like lilac-y. This was good actually. I think I would have never guessed this was sweet potato actually. Yeah, no. I won't give up. I'm gonna guess this next KitKat, I'm sure. I hope so. What's this? What's this one? I don't know. I feel like it has like red bean inside. Yeah, I think this is the azuki toast one. Let's see. Let me check. Oh, okay. This is not the azuki toast one, but it has azuki inside. It's actually momiji manju KitKat. Momiji manju are a type of traditional Japanese sweet, which is typical from Miyajima, you know, the famous island with the torii in the ocean that's near Hiroshima. And they're really good. I love these Japanese traditional sweets actually. They come in many different flavors, but they made the most traditional one, which is the one with red beans paste inside. This is really good, and I think it will make a very good souvenir to bring back home. Okay, either this is sake or apple, which are very different, but maybe apple. I'm going for sake. This KitKat is the sake one. Woohoo! This is the sake one, Nihonshu, which is like Japanese liquor alcohol. The alcohol flavor is not strong at all. That's why I was very confused. I was like, oh, this is apple or sake. But this is sake actually. Yeah, this one. This tastes like chocolate, and that's it. What could it be? I'm going for the classic KitKat. Oh yeah, this is the classic one. Yes, great. Well, of course, it's a classic one, so it's good. Another one. Here we go. Maybe this is the azuki toast one. I'm not sure at all. Yes! Okay, this is the azuki sando. This is very good. I've never had an azuki sando, an azuki sandwich. I'm not really sure how it's supposed to taste like, but yeah, if you like red bean paste, this is very good. Oh, I can taste something like roasted, so probably this is the other Hojicha KitKat. Hojicha tea is kind of has this kind of roasted flavor. I can just describe it like that. So maybe this is the other Hojicha KitKat. I'm going to say that. Yeah, this is Hojicha. There's just a few left in the box. Let's go. This one. Oh, I can already smell strawberry. Wow. Yeah, this is strawberry. 100% sure. Is this strawberry? Yeah, this is strawberry. Very good. This strawberry KitKat beats this one. Definitely. Yeah, the winner. The winner. I think there are like 4 or 5 KitKat left. This one is very strange. I think this is the strangest one I tasted so far. Could it be wasabi? The wasabi flavor is not that strong, but you have a sort of final hint of wasabi while eating this. I think this is wasabi. Oh, this is wasabi. Yes. This is my least favorite of the box. Sorry to you, all wasabi lover. But very Japanese and very particular. I guess you can find this type of flavor anywhere else in the world. Another KitKat. Okay, I think this one is apple. I know I said it 3 times by now, but this time it's seriously apple. Yes, this one is apple. I guess it's right this time. Oh, this is Shinshu Ringo, which is a type of high quality apple. Oh, okay. I know I'm cheating, but I know this smaller one should be something like nuts and cranberries. Yeah, this is nuts and cranberries. Oh yeah, this is the nuts and cranberry. So almonds and cranberry KitKat. I think this is one of my favorite in the box. We have just 2 left in the box. This one has a very mild strawberry flavor in it. Since I can taste some kind of strawberry flavor, it could be strawberry cheesecake. Yes, this one is strawberry cheesecake. This one is very good, very sweet, but very good. I guess we have the last one in the box. Let's see what it is. Last one in the box. This one. Oh, this is very good. I think this one is my favorite actually. Can I have a whole box of this? I think this one is the cranberry one with almonds or something like that. And I think this one is with like ruby chocolate. The chocolate is not normal chocolate. And I was right. This is the ruby chocolate, nuts and cranberry. Very good. No more KitKat in the box, as you can see, but I have a whole bunch here, actually. Okay, I think the ruby chocolate one was the winner for me, and probably least favorite wasabi, just because I don't like wasabi. If you like wasabi, this one will be really good. The flavor is not that strong either. Actually, I was surprised. There were a lot of flavors that were really good, so this box is a good deal actually. I hope you had fun watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video for more Japan related content. Remember to check out our website. See you next time. Bye!